a step-by-step guide to configuring and running applications inside Docker containers, including environment setup, image building, container management, and best practices for a reproducible development environment. Docker is a platform that allows developers to package applications and dependencies into containers, run containers consistently across environments, dev, test, prod, simplify deployment and scaling. Think of a container as a lightweight, portable, and isolated environment that runs your app, similar to a virtual machine but much faster and smaller. Docker Setup Overview. Setting up Docker involves three main stages. Installing Docker Engine, the core service that manages containers. Starting and enabling the Docker service. Testing the installation and running your first container. Thank you for your interest.